In this video, I'll show you how to use these new items I purchased at Dollar Tree to make beautiful home decor. Let's get started. First, I made a base for my project using cardboard. I used hot glue and masking tape to connect the pieces. Next, I placed my plaque on top of the cardboard using hot glue and Fix-All. Next, I placed my elephants next to my plaque using Fix-All and hot glue. I cut off the excess cardboard. I noticed that my piece was a little flimsy, so to fix that, I went back in with Fix-All and hot glue. Once my piece was secure enough, I took it outside to spray paint it. While I waited for my paint to dry, I went ahead and I started to place gems on a square vase that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Once my paint dried, I brought it inside and I placed my vase on top of my plaque using hot glue and Fix-All. I placed gems onto the eyes of my elephants using hot glue. I used a vase filler and hot glue to cover the cracks between my elephants and my plaque. I added some some large gems that I purchased at Hobby Lobby to the bases of my elephants. And this is what my piece looked like once I was all finished. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next DIY.